okay? I have had the most productive morning and I'm so happy about it because I love it when Sunday gets off to a good start. I've just popped a wash in, I've cleaned my bedroom, and actually my HelloFresh box has just arrived, which is such good timing for the week ahead. We have such a busy week, so this is just going to make our routine go that little bit smoother. I have got some really yummy meals this week, and I think I'm actually going to have this one tonight because listen to this, I just feel like it is just giving the Sunday feels. Rosemary roast beef with roast potatoes, honey root veg and garlicky green beans. It's going to be so nice. So when I cook that, I will share it with you a bit later on. But HelloFresh are kindly sponsoring this part of the video, so I have a discount code for you. I'm going to pop my QR code on screen so you can scan that and access my discount that way. Or I'm going to pop down in the description box my code, and I'll also pop it on screen here, because with my code CJOCEAN, you are going to get 60% off your first box, plus 20% off your next 2 months, plus free gifts. So this is my best HelloFresh discount code yet, which is such a great discount. So go ahead and have a look at that. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to be having this week because, oh my God, it just looks so yummy. So this is what we have chosen this week. This is the one that I just talked to you about. Oh my God, how yummy does that look? I feel like that is such a nice Sunday treat. So we're going to have that one tonight. And all of these recipes come with all of the ingredients of everything you will need. They have a little bag that matches the code to the number on the card. And then on the back of here, it shows you exactly step by step how to make it. So if you aren't great at cooking, because do you know what, I don't do much of the cooking in this house, but I do a Sunday roast. This is going to be me cooking this today. I can't wait. Look at that. So that's today. And then we've got peri-peri chicken and chips, which is a great quick one to have during the week. And then we have got the cheddar cheeseburger with wedges, roasted garlic slaw. Like, how yummy does that look? I cannot wait to eat all of these, to be honest. Like, I just love knowing that I'm going to eat well this week and it is all sorted for me. So yeah, I'm going to get all this put away because I have a to-do list today, which I need because Will is doing the bathroom renovations again. I have been recording the process of us doing it so far, so I think I'm going to do like a separate video because some days like we just didn't manage to get much done because we had like little setbacks, and then today I think is going to be a productive day. So I'll film what I can, but I'm going to put it in a different video because today I feel like we've got a lot going on with my to-do list. So the first thing on my list is to get the inside of my car cleaned. My neighbours, they absolutely love car cleaning, and yesterday they said to me like, I'll clean your car, and I was like, no, I feel really bad, like someone else cleaning my car. But anyway, they did end up cleaning my car, and Will gave her son some money. So that was really nice, and they'd done like such an amazing job. And now I want to get like the inside of my car cleaned because I fell down a little hole on TikTok. I've been watching these videos of like girl car kits, and it's like all the essentials that we need when we may be out. So I ordered myself a whole little car kit, and I didn't want to put it in there until the car's clean because I also got like a new air freshener as well. So I want to get that done. And then I also need to reset the boys' bedrooms because, as I said this morning, I've had a really productive morning. I have cleaned all of my bedroom, like literally deep cleaned it again from the last video that you saw. And now I want to do the boys. So I'm going to get that done too. They need like new bed covers, toy tidy ups, dusters, hoovers, mops. And I know that Marley has actually been around his room this morning, bless him. So I won't have much to do in there. And then yeah, last on the list is the bathroom renovation, which is obviously Will's job, and he will be carrying on with that. So we're having a really good day, and then we're going to finish off with a really nice yummy meal. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. Just outside now, and it is so windy. I don't actually think it's too bad. It just needs a good once over, like a little bit of a hoover, and I'm going to sponge down the seats, dust like in here and on here. And then yeah, do the kids bit as well, and sort my little car kit out for the car. This is how the car is looking so far. It is so clean. I've literally just cleaned these down with the Dr. Beckman like carpet cleaner. This is the one. It works so well. So I've just done all the seats. I had a stain on one of the mats, so I've also done that, and then I've just done my seat as well. I think I'm just going to give this a little bit of a wipe over with it because it's got a few little watermarks, but I've just cleaned all of this as well. Got a few little sweeties here, and I'm going to clean this out because some of this will go in my car kit now as well. And then I'm going to move on to the back. So this is where the kids go. It's actually not too bad, to be honest, and I've just took that mat out as well. I'll give the seats a little once over. I think this, look at this, looks absolutely disgusting under here, but I'm just going to give it a quick clean because it actually looks like it is going to rain. I was going to take this off as well. I actually got this from like CJOCEAN. But I think it might come in handy like when we go on holiday to the airport and stuff, so I can put like baby wipes in there, some drinks. I'm actually going to leave that on, even though it doesn't look that great because it's kind of like hanging around now, but yeah, I'm going to leave that on. And this is the tool that I've been using on my carpets. It honestly, you just clean them so quickly. Like, I'll just show you. Like, look at this. I just love it. Okay, that is the back done. I'm not going to be doing this car seat because it's now started raining, so I'll do that another day, but at least everywhere is clean. And I also just wanted to show you this. I have never seen one this colour and in the scent coconut. I got it off Amazon, so I thought I would get that for the car. And I've also got my little girly car kit, which I'm now going to show you as well. This is my little girly car kit. I absolutely love it so much. So in here I got this little bag from CJOCEAN. All of this is from there. I've got a little pouch in there at the back, and that is to hold sanitary towels or tampons, anything you want. I have got a pen here because we never know when we need to write in a card. I've got a hairbrush, and then I have a little, like, it's a back combing brush, but I use it to put all my little wispy baby hairs back into my pony if I've got one, because after the gym my hair is always a mess, so that's going to come in handy. I've got two scrunchies, I've got a little mirror there, and down the side here I have got, I've just popped this in actually, a little perfume from Zara. So I've got that down the side, and then the other bits that I bought are a little pack of tissues, some hand cream, which smells so good. I got some plastic toothpicks. Now I know not everyone is going to have these in their car kit, but I have a brace and I need these so many times of the day. I could actually do with some of those in my handbag, so I'll probably pick up some more of them. And then I also have a lip balm in the scent coconut and almond, and I've never tried that one before, so I bet that is going to be really nice. indoors now, and it is nearly about 4 o'clock, so I've literally only got time to just do Manny's room. But honestly, look at this. It's not so bad here, but the rest of the room is trashed. So I'm going to get the bed changed because someone went to bed with a chocolate coin, and I don't think that's actually going to come out. He came through in the morning with this chocolate coin, was like, "Mummy, I think it's melted." So he obviously went to sleep with it. So I need to get that changed. I'm just going to have a little dust over here, a little tidy, and yeah, put all these cars away. I think I've got some clothes in here to also pop away, which is from today, so I'm going to get that done. And yeah, then I'm going to make some dinner, which I'm really looking forward to. This mattress is not good at all. This is new as well. I think what I'm going to do, and it had a mattress protector on, what on earth? This isn't wee or anything, this is literally like sweat. What I'm going to do, because I saw on TikTok someone put like white vinegar and then biocarb on here, so I'm going to give that a go and hopefully, fingers crossed, that works. Because other than that, I don't really know. How do you get these marks out? I do have my Spot Pro cleaner, but it's like 4 o'clock. Just not going to be dry in time for bedtime. So the mattress has come out cleaner, but I can still slightly see it. It is quite wet still. Maybe I can give it a wipe over like with water and a wet cloth. But yeah, it did sort of come out, but not completely. So if you've got any other tips how to get this out, please let me know. Also, I'm not going to be making the bed just yet because obviously I need this to dry for a couple more hours before he goes to bed. I've cleaned the rest of the room. It's all hoovered and dusted and tidy, which I'm really happy about. So I'm glad that I got that job done. The boys are actually just playing outside in the garden at the moment, and I'm now going to go down and start cooking our dinner. next day now. I've been to the gym this morning, that's why I'm looking a little bit shiny. But I didn't end the vlog because it was so chaotic last night after dinner. Like, it was quite late. We had packed lunches to do. We had, I was going to say bath times. We don't have a bath at the minute. Shower, bed, reading, all of that. So I just wanted to pop in here and end the video and just remind you that my code and everything will be linked in the description down below. So definitely go and check out HelloFresh because that meal was so good. Like, oh my God, it just, all of the flavours were just so nice, and I give it a 10 out of 10 because that dinner was so yummy. And tonight we're probably gonna have, I'm thinking the chicken meal actually, and then burgers the next day. So yeah, I hope you all have a lovely week and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.